How to mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked. So for that you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Instagram available on your device. And after that you have to open up your Instagram on your device. So here you have to log in with your account. Once you have logged in with your account, on the bottom there is a profile icon. Go for that. And when you are on your profile, you have to go for the top right three bar ups. So when you are on your profile, here you can see your followers or following. Go for that. Once you are on the following option, you can unfollow others or you can message them here. Go for the one of the followers, go and unfollow them. So you can only unfollow one by one. So there is no option to must unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked. So if you want to, go for the three line option which is on the top right, scroll down, go for the help and privacy here and go for the report a problem. And here you have to report a problem, go for the include and continue. And you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working here. So here you have to explain that hello, would it possible for me to have all my following removed? I have started this account long time ago, and so by writing this on your report or problem, you can send it to them, or also you can attach the photo or videos there. So with the help of this process, you can easily mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked if the Instagram help center replies you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.